Hi, welcome to MAN4783, Sustainable Budgeting and the Triple Bottom Line. I'm Dr. Grinnell. You all know me from MAN4781, Sustainable Strategic Planning, and this is the follow-on course to that, and it should be the last course before your capstone. I just wanted to give you a quick overview on what you'll be doing in this class. This slide shows you an overview of what we're doing in each of the 8 weeks. A more detailed schedule is in your syllabus and in the course plan. You can see that we are going to do sustainable budgeting, sustainable process audits, facility audits, baseline audits, product audits, improvement projects, measuring results, and reporting. All of these are key components of your capstone. And so our portfolio is going to take on a slightly different tone than what you did before with the educational blogs. You're going to be doing essentially sustainability improvement proposal segments. And they're going to be exactly the same as you will be doing in your capstone, where you describe what you're doing, describe the tool, then you show the tool as it is applied to your project, and then you analyze or draw conclusions from the tool. The deep dive class activities are going to be a lot of different dives into different kinds of software and different ways that you can use software. And then your individual projects are going to be some of the fun stuff, but also some very practical stuff. We will be incorporating the top 3 projects that you identified 2 weeks ago: the gopher tortoise invasive species removal, the beach or park waste audit and targeted solutions. We have to incorporate park because not all of us live close to a beach, and the flower bombing to increase pollinator populations. We're going to be incorporating these in 2 ways. We're going to be doing a training workshop, video workshop, and then we're actually going to try to go out and do these things as you have developed your training. You'll see that all of these are building up to prepare you for capstone. The sustainability improvement proposals end up with an e-portfolio of sustainability improvement proposal artifacts. The deep dive activities help you develop a whole suite of sustainability software that you might want to use, and the Green Team projects give you examples and practice in developing sustainability reports. This gives you an overview of the grading, very similar to the last mod. You have the class activities, the projects. Some of the projects will be based upon the real-world project execution that you'll do and then come back and show a photo journal or a waste audit. And then your e-portfolio artifacts with your peer analysis. And that culminates with your final e-portfolio. We went over this 2 weeks ago, but just as a reminder, you need to have a kilowatt. We'll be using that in about week 4. And that is something that every sustainability manager should have because it helps you measure the energy use of any particular piece of equipment. You may get an infrared thermometer. Those can be handy and they're fun. You can get a water audit eco kit from Amazon, or you can just use a cup measure. And it's helpful to have a luggage scale, although if you don't mind standing on a regular scale and then subtracting the weight of your waste audit, you can do that as well. All of these are pretty reasonably priced. So I will see you Thursday at 6 p.m. via Zoom. I will still be in Washington, D.C., so we will all be meeting this week via Zoom. Next week we can go back to our regular hybrid classroom plus Zoom. The link for the Zoom is on the course homepage, and I can't wait to see you. And as always, if you have any questions, please email me. You can save them till Thursday, but I'll be happy to try to answer them in advance. And let's get going.